In this video, we will add a simple bow arrow weapon. A game with a bow arrow weapon is entertaining to play. Implementing a weapon like this is sometimes tricky, but we will do it in a very simple way. To implement bow arrow weapon, we will use two scripts, bow and arrow. In bow script, we will see how and where the arrow projectile will spawn. In arrow, we will see the speed and the direction of the arrow and what happens when it's collide with something. In the bow script, I have created some variables: arrow projectile, arrow spawn point, time to attack, and attack time. In the start function, time to attack is assigned to attack time. In the update function, decrease attack time to time.delta time. And if mouse button is clicked, then check whether attack time is less than or equal to 0. Then instantiate a arrow projectile and assign time to attack time. In the arrow script, I have created some variables: projectile speed, projectile destroy time, and hit effect. In the update function, use transform.translate to move forward and destroy the projectile after some time. In onTriggerEnter function, get the health component from the object that collides and then store it in health. If health is not null, then call health.takeDamage function, else instantiate the hit effect. At last, destroy the game object. I have added a bow weapon inside the player. I assign all the variables value. The arrow projectile is a projectile that we will shoot. Arrow spawn point is a point where arrow projectile will be spawned. And time to attack is a time between attack. I have created arrow game object and make it prefab. In arrow, I added rigid body, box collider, and arrow script. In arrow script, assign all the variables value. Projectile speed is the speed of an arrow move. Projectile destroy time is a time to destroy a projectile. And hit effect. Now you can see that the player can shoot the arrow. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below.